Yeah.
So, you know, this is how it goes, right? So the old me would have filmed at the airport, at my house getting up in the morning. But the new me, what he does is, he cuts out all the bullshit, just gets straight to the point, right? So I'm at Mitch's house. I will be here for a week.
Yeah.
Kyle will be here.
Yeah.
Timmy's will be here. I gotta put a bunch of parts on my bike. Bars, stem, my fork I added in there. It's not technically new, but it is part of the steering, which I've only had for like a couple weeks, but I barely rode it. Just got grease on it. I got grips and a front tire because my sidewall blew up my other one, and a headset. I'm gonna put those on in the morning because, you know, it's fucking late. I left my house at 7 in the morning and it's 11 p.m. here.
Yeah, 11:30.
But it's 11:30, but it's 3 hours ahead, so it's really fucking 8:30. But still, it's a long journey. It's hard being me. Sometimes you gotta just send it, you know. Gotta film everything all the time. But the new me, he just films the important things.
Yeah, dude, like me.
Where's the cat? Ready? All right. What do you want to get? Mitch has got G Fuel. When did you turn pro?
It's the gamer fuel, bro. Alright guys, welcome to my bike check. You know, sponsor, Husky Nation. Spencer Forsman sends me all my bike parts for free, it's whatever. But yeah, this is the bike. And thanks for watching.
What's going on, guys? Today on Roaster Bikes, bmxican's here. It's a flat pedal, dude. Roasted. And then we got the stem bolt.
Dude, that's...
Not up in here.
You only need 3 good ones.
3 good ones. The grips. Man, what are you trying to do? Slip and slide? Haha. It's a good frame, though. I can't talk about the frame's a good frame. Federal. Okay. Trying to get a Federal case. You know, this is the sticker I think was put on a little crooked, but
yeah, right.
No one.
Spencer Forsman put that on there for me.
Oh, dude.
When he sent me my frame and the whole bike.
Oh yeah, cause yeah, he shipped it all put together too.
Yeah.
And then this is a these got dimes.
Yeah, dude.
But they're Canadian.
Dimes in the wheel, you need it.
You know,
you never know when you're gonna need a bag from Walmart.
The old potato does wear pads. He is in fact a pad kind of guy.
Yeah, dude.
I touched his helmet in the car. Oh my god, there's so much cat hair on my mic. Holy shit. Alright, first official day in Canada. We're out here. I'm gonna build my bike. I'm gonna show you guys the new parts I equipped. And I'm about to install. If you guys don't know, this is my bike bag. DK. Get to the airport pretty easy. Yes, people ask if I'm a golfer and I just say hell yeah I am. What does the bmxican pack in his bike bag? His bike. Helmet. I don't know if you guys have seen it. Got the new one. Pretty suave. Look at my new helmet, bro. And got the wheels. I had to take the peg off so my pedal wouldn't come off. Bars. Shadow. Voltus bars. See what Mitch thinks of these bad girls.
The Voltus. I used to have some of these. These are nice.
Give me a little turn down with him.
A little turn down.
Oh, he knows what he's doing. This is what we have right here. Gucci seat, so you know, like all this scratched up paint just for jokes. You know, I really am like a baller, but just the scratch paint is just it's a prank that I'm playing on someone. They just don't know yet. Daily grind, headsets, BSD passenger grips, my non-folding Donna Street tire that I had to use electrical tape and a zip tie on to pack it in so it wouldn't, you know, expand too much. And my stem should be in here somewhere. Oh. You know, Madeira stem. I like to ball out. My one pedal that wouldn't come off. There's like rocks in my bag. So, update. Got the bars and the stem on. I changed the headset. Got a nice chrome piece. Everything's looking good except for the frame, which, you know, the frame is on the way. The frame I got, it takes 8 weeks to get here. You know, it's gonna take some time, but we're piecing her up part by part. This is part 2 of the dream build, you know. Got the steering, the forks, the headset, the stem, the bars, and then the grips are coming on. It's getting there, dude. Let's see, make sure. Oh, we're looking good, look at that. Oh shit, I scratched my forks. For the most part, everything's going together smoothly. A lot of the times I build up my bike, I run into a problem that just, you know, shouldn't happen. But today, it's going good. So far it's going good. A lot of the times, I say that, something fucks up. Tire, it is not a folding tire. That's it. Just want to let you guys know. I don't get folding tires. I never get folding tires. I'm not a weight weenie.
Look at this stem though.
I got this stem and these bars because I support those companies. I definitely 100% did not go to source, sort by lightest to heaviest, and buy these parts. I don't know where you heard these rumors, but they're not true. I got them because I support those companies. Forks, headset, stem, bars. The bars, they spin fast. I'll tell you that much. Let me show you.
Ooh.
You know, I would have done all those with the whip out if I wasn't wearing my, you know, I'm wearing my Nikes, not wearing my half bunny hops. Should have brought them.
True. Wait, you don't have them?
No, I have them.
Oh.
I'm talking about my half bunny hop shoes. My Steve Olieros. So yeah, my bike, it actually weighs about like 400 fucking pounds, but don't be confused or, you know, mistaken. I am lifting 400 pounds on my one arm. They say Kyle is the strongest in Canada. Not for long.
Yo.
The real reason everyone came to the video. What have you got for us? A little warm up guy. He's in his shorts, you know.
Yeah, I'm gonna expose myself real quick.
Okay.
This is how I actually hang 5. Ready?
All right.
I'm just really good at like video effects, so like I just like fix it on post. But you just gotta drag your foot like this.
As you're pedaling and as I'm speaking, it's being edited to make it look like you can hang 5.
Oh my god. I can't. That's on the foot drag.
I must have not had the right software. And he's been gone for a while. Fucking took off behind the block and didn't come back. Alright. Oh shit, there he is. Came all the way around the block.
Damn.
That was a long ass hang 5, bro.
I went way further than I thought I was going to. What the hell?
Yeah, dude. No video effects. This is all the real deal.
Yeah, that's as good as it gets.
No Final Cut, no Adobe, no Sony, Vegas.
No.
That's all the real deal.
It's just the level we're on right now.
I had to get my appendix taken out. Means I couldn't ride for 4 months.
It was like 4 weeks.
You're so white, dude.
Shut up.
You're glowing. You're blinding the camera right
Listen,
now.
make me light skin. Color correct me.
Okay, well,
Be as white
we're at the
as I
skate
want.
park now. We've been here for like maybe fucking 30 minutes, maybe 20. I don't know. I've been riding the park. It's pretty decent. There's a lot of rollers that are unnecessary. They're unnecessary. Kyle, I don't know why he put them in his park like that.
Bro, I asked
When he designed the park, I guess he just decided to put rollers in the middle.
for these totally useful rollers, dude.
I don't know, dude. I guess.
I'll get a clip on each one of
Yeah,
these
of
rollers
course
today.
he's gonna get a clip first. Of course, Kyle's
No,
getting
on
the clip.
each one of the rollers, I'll get a clip at some point.
No, Kyle's getting the first clip, of course. Yeah, let's go. Kyle, I came all the way to Canada to film you. To film you, Kyle.
Dude, just me?
No, yeah, come on, let's get your clips. Bar. Aw, dude, you're not that good.
Wasn't ready, bro.
You weren't that good. Give me a switch bar. Take me to a regular.
I was actually kind of hoping you were gonna say that, because.
Yo, stop doing all your Instagram lines.
Yo, shut your mouth, bro. Don't expose me.
All right, how about this? We'll both do a switch bar on a line.
Okay.
Where do you want to do it at?
You have to make yours look a little bit ugly though, so we look the same.
Alright. Mine are the best, so. And if it does look ugly, that's because I was, you know, going by Kyle's rules.
match.
Yeah. All right.
Video
All right,
so
listen,
much
listen.
when you describe.
So I'm gonna do a
that.
switch bar, right? He's gonna do a switch bar, but it's looking like a regular, and he's gonna switch bar into the bank, but I'm gonna regular bar. So basically, we're just, you know, swapping the
We're hitting
left
them
hand,
with
right
the
hand.
E.
Alright.
What a loser. out mine.
That was the first one I've ever done out of a bank that wasn't
like,
ollie. Just want to say.
Then I was like, hold on.
Mitch, you're next.
For what?
Switch bar.
A clip? No, just a clip. Oh yeah, should I tell them now or should I wait to tell them?
No.
No, not yet?
No.
Okay, we'll tell. Oh no! Just gotta go like this. I think it's fucking real. Alright, so we're doing crank arms, or they're doing crank arms. Oh, he can do them! He can! Oh, fuck! Way closer than I thought.
Okay, my
So
knee.
Good.
That's how Kyle did it the first time.
How's your knee, bud?
Just manual and crank arm.
Why did I come?
Simone. Yo, that was tight. Photoshop.
Oh
Nice.
God.
Whoa. You hold the camera for a change.
Look at this, bro.
No, not my bike.
Disgusting.
My moves. My moves. You want to see some fucking moves?
What do you got, dude? Probably nothing, but
Everything. I've locked it all. So.
whatever I taught you, I guess.
Nollie one bar. I know you don't really do those.
What I
but
taught you.
I can show you what it looks like. Bitch.
He was like decent. Close to the air.
You call that a tug?
Oh, the bar end again.
Weak.
No, it wasn't.
These down.
Dory ass. You ready?
Stop talking, ever?
No.
You call it a turn down?
I missed it. Do it again.
I'll do a suicide right here in front of your face.
Right here.
Yo, why don't you do a bar? Like,
Does someone else want to film? I missed that.